guys, this is Eartha Baca. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the moves that we do in my class. I like to call it the skip step. Some people might call it a kickball change, whatever makes you feel comfortable, but I call it a skip step. So this is how we do it. You want to start off with heel forward, together, and back. Other side, heel, together, and back. Let me do it from the side. Heel, together, and back. Heel, together, and back. When I do this step in class, I'll either use it in a warm-up, so I'll introduce the step within the song by doing it slow first. It'll be this part in the song maybe, just kind of to the beat. Let's do two more. And then, as the beat picks up, you want to kick it and skip. Kick, skip, kick, skip, kick, skip. You can also do it to the side, which I do often. Same kick, skip, but to the side. So kicking out, side, out, side, out, side. And a very important part of this step is your arms. Your arms give you momentum and just adds a little bit more fun. So momentum and fun. Now, if your song is a little bit more cardio, I like to give it an actual kick and a jump like this. Kick, jump, kick, jump, kick, jump, kick, side, kick, kick, kick. So one example of when I do that is in the song Juice by Lizzo, and the part where she goes, ya dee, ya dee, ya dee. That's where I do that part. So I'll be like, ya dee, ya dee, ya dee. And then I'll do the back. Ba-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. Okay, so that is what I call the skip step. I hope that helped you. Please feel free to like, leave a comment. Let's always keep it positive, uplift each other. Definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more little tutorials and fun choreo ideas for you. So thank you.